Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
What is going on, Road Warriors? Errol here, and you're right on the HRC with High Road Comics. And today I have a new comic book day pickups from last Wednesday. Yeah, I know that's 6 days ago, but guess what? Go ahead and check it out. So if you didn't see, I had Rob Liefeld sign this one, and I was able to pick this one up for less than ratio. That's all I'm going to say about that. And I haven't decided. Please let me know in the comment section below if you think I should get Rob to sign it, or if I should go ahead and sell it on eBay. So yeah, that's all I got for that. I do want to show you that I got a couple copies of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles number 95. There's a first appearance in this, and I'm excited. I added it back to my pull list, and I'm going to be trying to get all the previous issues on the cheap. I did get issue number 44, which was the death of Donatello, and 51. I'll find it. It's somewhere. But yeah, let's go ahead and continue on to what I actually got. So this one, I already read it. It's a pretty great read. No One Left to Fight. It definitely is, like what they said, a lot like Dragon Ball Z. I'm hooked. I'm gonna go ahead and grab issue number 2. So I'll give it 4 issues before I decide if I'm going to drop it or cop it. Alright, Jason Aaron, I got a support. I went with cover B. This is the Magnolia cover. Jason Aaron, Sea of Stars. I haven't read it yet. If you've read it, please let me know in the comment section below. And I'd like to hear what you say. Alright, Space Bandits number 1, Mark Millar. This one has Prince on the cover, and I was a little upset because the cover was damaged. Actually, it was the back. That's okay. It's just a little bit creased. But you'll notice on the back it's got that Netflix logo, so can't go wrong. Had to go ahead and grab it. Alright, let's go. So over the next few weeks you're gonna see that I got Carnageized variants. Some of them I like, some of them I don't like. Uncanny X-Men number 21, loved it, so I grabbed it. Looks like Daquan made it. Alright, we got War of the Realms, the Unbeatable Squirrel Girl, Thumbs number 2. This one's actually a great read too. It's interesting. It's a I think it's a 4-part miniseries. It might be 6, but I guess if I don't like it all, I'll just sell it as a set later. Here's one of my favorites from the week: Carnageized Spider-Man Ghost Spider, Spider-Gwen Ghost Spider. Great read. 2 more issues in this one, and then it ends, and then they're gonna start it back over just as Ghost Spider number 1, but still gonna have Shannon Maguire writing it. Savage Avengers, you got the Carnageized Elektra. No particular order. I didn't break it up by Marvel, DC, whatever. This is actually what they were shipped to me as from. This is Justice League number 27, by the way, from Things from Another World. Alright. I gotta get a different easel. That one's a little bit too wide. Kevin Wada variant with Cordelia Chase on the front of Buffy the Vampire Slayer number 6. I got the art germ of Arrow number 1. I'm thinking about getting this one signed at San Diego Comic-Con, which is next week. Looking forward to that. And besides that first appearance of the female turtle, I'm also going to get a couple of these signed by Kevin Eastman. Writes and draws the variant covers. This one was Batman Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles number 3. Alright, here is Cosmic Ghost Rider Destroys Marvel History number 5. pretty cool cover. You know, you got Mjolnir and Captain America's shield, so, and Doctor Strange vibe in there. I don't know. Maybe. He destroyed the Marvel Universe. Alright. I got Deceased, number 3. This is the Putri horror variant. And, yeah. Uh-oh. Gotta go. Fantastic Four, The Prodigal Son, number 1. I didn't see this on the bolo, but there is a first appearance of Prodigal Son in this one. Immortal Hulk, number 20. Oh. I did grab, you know what? Let's go ahead and open it right now. I did grab, this mail day right here. I don't normally do this, but I didn't know that this was one of them. Otherwise, I would have ordered it from TFAW. And, yeah. Dang. Nice, double bagged. This one, I don't normally do it, but whatever. The Immortal Hulk, the Bloody Secret variant, Carnage Secret variant, and I think this issue is key anyway from what I've read from the reviews, but we'll see. So if anything, I'll just sell the other one. Oops. And then that was actually almost it. I was able to get this for my LCS, and I was fortunate enough to order it, so I got copy of The Walking Dead at cover price. I got both of them at cover price. Favorite read, that is my read of the week. I regret not grabbing all of them 1 through 193 through and through, but you know what? It's still worth it. And finally, these are what I was talking about. Pay no attention to the stickers, but I did grab them at less than what those stickers say. I got Death of Donatello and this retailer incentive cover of 55, which I don't want to spoil anything, even though it's like 50 issues ago. This is directly tied to the Death of Donatello, and I see that he's on the cover, but it's a pretty awesome cover. But yeah, that's all I got. Thank you for being here. Please let me know in the comment section below what you think, pickups, and I will see you next week. This is High Road Comics, going offline.